Here in my channel again, Cupcake Sweet World, and you got. So today we're talking about fidget spinners. Usually this is my brothers, my cousins, and yeah. So here's a
You all go follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Musically. I'm gonna link down below.
So what's your names basically on Musically and Instagram and all that?
Yeah, it's gonna link down below. But yeah, you guys are gonna see that link. And
So yeah. So on Musically, her name is it's that cool girl. It's
No.
Girl.
I'm just gonna write down my name on when we post it. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about fidget spinners.
They're usually made in Japan and China. So yeah. You got information that these immature kids are fighting.
Hey, you're a kid too. Okay, I'm the only adult one here.
She's a kid too.
Okay, so these fidget spinners are the ones that they don't go, right? Okay, these supposedly say it takes out stress, and it's no, they don't take out stress. Well, it kind of makes you feel like down, but you're gonna still might be stressed because that's how I am. And yeah, these are the spinners or whatever. Okay, this is the thing.
Spinner.
Yes, we all know it's fidget spinner. Okay, anyways, yeah, this is fidget spinner, and no, it does not make your stress go away, but it does make your finger hurt.
So this kind of fidget spinner is different than all of them because the original ones, they could take off its bearings, right? But this one, it can't take off its bearings or bearings, yeah.
Okay, if you all see this, and if you know me, don't think I'm retarded because I'm just trying to help out here. For real. You don't think I'm weird. Don't think this is cringy.
It's already weird.
No, don't think it's cringy. You can talk about them, but don't talk about me because if you, I'll beat your ass. But, oh yeah. And yes, I am a cookie.